everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you an everyday makeup look. So to get started, the first thing you'd want to apply is your primer. I'm using the I Heart Revolution Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer. So moving on, I'll be using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is a great foundation if you are wanting something that's light, but that can also be buildable. The color I'm using is in Golden Beige. It's absolutely beautiful. It's my favorite foundation so far. I've used expensive foundations and honestly, I've really enjoyed using this foundation. So all you want to do is start from the corner of your jawline and work your way into the inner part of your face. So you can go ahead and apply as many layers as you feel necessary. I applied one layer and then I decided to add a few thicker layers to parts where I felt I needed it more. So as this process is a little bit slow, I'm just going to fast forward a little bit for you so that you're not sitting here watching me putting on foundation for the next couple minutes. Next is your concealer under the eye. I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer. It's called the Overachiever Concealer and I'm in the color Marshmallow. This is a really thick concealer. It's a really great product, but you have to work really quick with this as it dries fast. So you want to put a few dots under the eyes and spread it out evenly. To set the concealer, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. It's the original, so it's just a white powder, and this sets it perfectly and it doesn't move. Moving on to the bronzer, I'm using Benefit Hoola, which is an amazing color. Starting with your cheekbones, then moving on to around your forehead, and then down to your jawline as well. Basically creating the number 3. So forehead, cheeks, and jaw. I also use the same bronzer to create a shadow on my nose, which contours my nose to make it look thinner. With your brush, create 2 lines on the sides of your nose and on the bottom of your tip to create a shorter nose. Also using this bronzer, I am putting some color into my eyelids and making it a bit bronzed. Moving on to blush, I'm also using another Benefit product, which is the Benefit Dandelion Blush, which is a baby pink powder and it's absolutely stunning. For highlight, which is my favorite part, this is also from Benefit, which is Dandelion Twinkle. and this is probably one of my favorite highlighters I have. All the Benefit products are extremely smooth on the face, and it feels amazing when you are applying it to your skin. Start by putting your highlight on the highest points of your cheeks, then putting some above your eyebrow, on your chin, and also on your nose. Also, I use this same highlighter to do the inner corner of my eyes as well. I absolutely love highlighting my nose. I just find that it brings the whole makeup look together, especially when you do the tip of the nose. Now with this, you have to be very precise. The thinner you do your highlight, the thinner your nose will look. The wider you do your highlight, the wider your nose will look. So just be careful when you're applying your highlighter to your nose. So for eyebrows, I'll be using the Revlon Color Stay Brow Creator, which is in the color dark brown. Start off by doing a few flicks at the front of your eyebrows to create the brow shape, and then continue on with your brow shape towards the tip of your eyebrows and also doing your arch as well. Make sure to brush it out after a few strokes so that you don't overdo your eyebrows. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Quick Flick black eyeliner. This is quite amazing. I hadn't used this for a while and it was really cool. Basically, you have two sides to the stick. One side is the actual tip shape that actually gives you the shape, you kind of stamp it on. And the other side is a felt tip pen, which you basically draw the remaining part of your eyeliner to connect to the tip. Now using my eyelash curler, just quickly curling my lashes. And then for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. Also, don't forget to highlight the high point of your eyebrows. For lip liner, I'm using Morphe lip liner in the color Foolish. For lipstick, I'm using Fenty Beauty in the color Unbutton. To blend the lipstick in, I'm just using this brush to spread out the lipstick and make it look more even. To finish off the face, I'm using Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to set my entire makeup look. So there you go guys, that's the end of the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a go and let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for stopping by again guys. I hope I catch you on the next one. Bye!